In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared calendar in Microsoft Teams. This is a fantastic way to keep everyone on the same page, ensuring your team knows exactly what's happening and when. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the official Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button. Click on it and enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you're already signed in, you should be directed straight to your Teams homepage. Now that you're signed in, look to the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. Here you'll find an array of icons, and the one we're interested in is the calendar icon. Click on this to access your calendar view in Teams. This is where all your scheduled meetings, events, and tasks are showcased. Once you're in the calendar section, you're going to want to select a date for your new event. You can do this by simply clicking on the desired day on your calendar view. This action will open up a new event window for you. In this new event window, begin by typing in the title of your event. Make sure it's descriptive enough that anyone in your team can understand what it's about at a glance. Think of this title as a headline for your event that highlights its purpose clearly. Next, it's time to consider who should be invited to this event. There's a section here called People, which shows those who have been invited. Click on this section and you'll get options to add people you wish to include. To make it easier, you can simply select everyone if the event is meant for the entire team. This feature is incredibly handy for keeping everyone aligned without the hassle of adding members individually. After you've set up the event details, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located towards the bottom or center right of the page, and click it. Saving ensures that your event details are recorded and your team members are notified, staying informed about any upcoming plans or changes. Finally, with your event now saved, you have the option to share it. You can do this by clicking the copy button, which allows you to distribute the event details via email, chat, or any other communication tool your team uses. Sharing the event link ensures that everyone has easy access to it and can add it directly to their calendars. And there you have it, you've successfully created a shared calendar event in Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you'll keep your team organized and aware of what's on the horizon, ultimately steering you towards more productive and synchronized teamwork. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy scheduling.